Okay, today we're going to adjust the chain for the Tiger 900 Rally Pro. It needs a 27 socket, and I've got a. Oh, it's hard. No, it's pretty hard. I finally got a little bit of movement. I'm holding a cloth so I can get some. It doesn't dig into my hands. Now to adjust the chain, we have to pull the screw out. Now this is a 12 and a 13 size, but since both my 12 and 13 are on the same spanner, I'm going to use another tool to hold this. As we pull this back, it tightens the chain. Now to make sure that this is equal on both sides, we can either use vernier to measure the distance here, and I'll equalize the distance there, or you can count the number of exposed threads on both sides. This is more accurate. This into place on both sides. Make sure that it is touching the adjuster nut on both sides, and there's not a. You don't tighten your axle if there's a gap like this. Close. Once you've got both your adjusters equalized, you can start tightening the axle nut. Make sure there's no gap here or on the other side. Give your wheel a few little push from the back side. Now for the final step, the torque setting on this is 110 mm, so get yourself a torque wrench and yep, that's it. Once you've done this, get the bike off the stand, put some load on it and check how tight your chain is. I think mine is a bit too tight. I'm going to do this whole process again and loosen it a bit. We've readjusted this, make it slightly looser, tighten everything up again and check. Okay, moment of truth. Again, make sure you don't tip the bike to that side, so put your weight on it. Check. Better way is to get somebody else also to sit when your axle, your swing arm pivot and your sprocket is in the same line. Your chain should be just right with just a little bit of slack, because that's going to be your longest, the longest that your chain is ever going to need to be. So get some load on the back, try and get the swing arm flat. But if you can't do it, then this is a second best indicator. I think it's got enough slack even when it comes up, and it's not going to create any issues on the road for us. Cheers.
Get it like